Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a time leaderboard in Roblox Studio. First, enable data store service in your game settings. Next, insert a new server script into server script service. This script will handle saving and loading player times. You'll need to define a unique key for your data store to store player data securely and efficiently. This foundational step is crucial for any persistent leaderboard. To track time, you'll use tick or OS time to mark when a player starts and finishes an activity. Subtract the start time from the end time to get the elapsed duration. Ensure you only save a new time if it's better than the player's previously recorded best time. This ensures your leaderboard always reflects their top performance. Remember to handle cases where players might leave and rejoin. For displaying your leaderboard, design a screen GUI with a scrolling frame to hold the entries. Your server script will fetch the top times from the data store, sorting them from fastest to slowest. Then, dynamically create UI elements to show each player's name and their best time. Update this display regularly to reflect new records and active players. To enhance your leaderboard, consider adding features like daily or weekly leaderboards, or even a reset button for specific challenges. Always perform extensive testing to ensure your time tracking, data saving, and UI display work flawlessly under various conditions. Optimize your data store calls to prevent throttling and ensure a smooth player experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.